Here, Luke, you want to try?
I didn't even get close.
All right, what's up, people? Today we're gonna try to break what we think is the most durable board on the market.
9 plies.
9 plies. Let's see if we can count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plies.
I like how
9
the
plies.
9 ply goes overlap. It's not even like a ply sign. It's like ply goes like this.
Normally, what are skateboards?
8.
7 plies?
7. So this is 2 extra plies. Oh my god.
2 extra plies. You can actually feel the board. It feels different. It's a little bit heavier. It's a little bit thicker. Feels just a little bit more solid. And honestly, I think this is somewhat of a relic. Like when we got shipped this, the guy was saying there's not a lot of them. Luke gripped it and he did a terrible job. How did you even do that? At first I thought the board was broken, but no, it's just a grip tape.
Dude, there's a crack in the grip tape. There's a crack down. That I've never seen that. Good job, Luke.
So normally when we do these videos, we try to break Walmart boards, but today we're actually going to try to break
9 plies.
a 9 ply actual skateboard. So this could take us a long time. So hope you got some popcorn, get a drink, pull up a chair, and let's do this.
And we're also like barely 100 pounds each, so that doesn't help. Ooh, I threw scissors.
What if it breaks on the kickflip?
Why is it so small?
What is it, like a 775?
Oh, like a 7.5.
So from what I'm feeling right now, just stepping on it, it's a 7.5, but it weighs like 8.5. Like the 9 ply is like 2 extra layers because the natural board is 7 ply. So there's 2 extra layers of ply on there, which is a whole nother, what?
Carlos.
A whole nother 85 pounds on the board. Let's do it. Oh man. Heaviest, smallest board I've ever ridden.
Can we get a rebuttal on this?
Kickflip it, Luke. Actually, let's do some different tricks. Nollie heel off.
No, okay, now heel off.
How
Rochambeau.
about switch flip?
Switch flip off. Rochambeau.
Boom! It is very heavy. Whoa! I might have missed or it's heavy. I don't know. Carlos won.
Rebate it.
Primo's way worse, I think.
You know how we normally do these can you rake it boards? Usually we do a whole part game of skate. And you get 5 tries to do the trick.
Do you want me to do impact tricks?
Yeah.
Braille drop?
I mean, that would be the test.
Probably do that at the end of this. Probably right off, see if it's strong enough. But
Boom. Now we got a video on our hands.
Yeah, Carlos.
to be honest with you, let's just skate. Let's just give them content. Let's just entertain them, and let's just get what we can done under this, and then we'll test it off that at the end. How about
That
that?
sounds good.
We need to give Vinny this board so he'll never snap a board.
Doesn't that look like the most gnarliest dreadlock ever?
I always think umbilical cord as soon as I see it.
I just think of a bungee cord because that's what it is.
Like, it's so small that it's actually harder to flip. I'd rather have a bigger, heavier board.
I heard a crack.
No.
No.
See, just will bite, left and right.
Should we wax the wheel wells?
No, rule of 3. In 3, I can always get it.
3 to make it a tree.
You know Fabi's leaving?
Bobby's leaving?
Told you, 3 to make it a tree.
Luke, hit the stairs.
Stairs, what do you want me to do?
A 180.
How about a heel flip up the Euro?
A 180.
Yeah, this is an impact, huh?
Yeah, impact only, bro.
Why did it just stop?
I'm pretty sure you felt that, right? When he hit the ground, there was a thud.
Yeah, I think that was his back.
It was my hip.
You got this, Shakira. 180?
Carlos, you got it.
No, it's you.
I don't like this board. I feel like every time I'm gonna land, my feet are like over it, and I'm just gonna land primo.
You got it.
Lance just wants me to slam.
I just want the board to break. Oh, solid. Nobody got hurt.
1 second. That hurt.
Who will break first, the board or Carlos?
I think you should. I'll front lip the small one, and then you could do it on the big one.
Front lip what?
The rail.
The rail?
Yeah, basically just did it.
I guess. Just. I'm not sure if I'm down with that kind of rail because there's no impact. It's just steep.
Just trying to snap it, honestly. Oh, I suck.
Get up there. If that was Walmart, that would have been toast. What, now the 5's there?
It's not gonna work on the 5.
Carlos, I got a trick we could do. You all in, I'll flick it.
1, 2.
What?
I think you could do a late flip down the 5.
Late flip down the 5 with this thing.
We should do some
Dude,
air
I don't know
outs.
if we're gonna be able to break this, dude. We are very short-handed today. We don't have the heaviest people. We have the 2 helium balloons of the whole Braille Army channel.
Braille.
Lance, it's your chance. You wanna break this?
We need the heavy people. We need Fetty,
Dude, that is heavy.
Kelly, Daniel, you know?
Don't mind that. Double hot pocket. Life of a skateboarder, friends.
The board is holding up very well. The precision is amazing.
It's this thing, man, like skating Braille videos. You always have to go out of your comfort zone.
What, you don't like the board?
It's not that I don't like the board. I'm just used to my own setup, dude. I mean, you can't hate me for that. It's like me dog sitting another person's dog. I actually trained my puppy to listen to me, and this dog is very stubborn.
I don't hate you for that, but I hate you because you're beautiful.
I'm adorable.
That seems better.
Yeah, much better, right? Can you help me?
There you go. What are you running into, Carlos?
Problems. I want to break it just because I'm mad at the board now. That mall grabbing, that's how I'm mad at it.
That's the goal. We're trying to get Carlos as pissed off as possible so that he can then break the board with as much ferocity as possible.
Alright, so I've been injured this whole last month, so I want to test my ankle. So if I land this trick right here, keep it one continuous shot. I'm going to try to just roll off of it and see if my ankle can hold up the impact. Just a roll off, no ollie, nothing. Just want to see if I can take it. Oh, I have to land that trick.
Question is, will it hold up when he goes off the barrel drop?
This is the trigger. I have to land this one first.
Carlos Lastra, my war, right here.
That was a good one.
I know why you're not landing it. There's not a Jamba Juice on the line. So let's put a Jamba Juice on the line. What do you want? Strawberry Surfer?
Well, you go there more than me, so whatever you think's best.
Razzmatazz. All right, one Razzmatazz if you land it right here. I knew it was the Jamba Juice. All right, here we go. One continuous shot. Carlos Lastra. First ever.
Try again.
Was he just on the roof? No way.
Maybe.
Did he land it?
No.
Is he gonna try again?
Yeah. This is the most intense can we break it ever.
God, I wish it wouldn't have to be this video because I want my own board for this, but I have to do this.
Pick a different trick. I hate this damn stupid trick.
What do you think?
Front board 270.
Oh, Carlos.
He wants us to be one continuous shot, so we gotta talk right now.
I'm really scared.
I'm not scared. He's gonna do it. The hardest part for most people is the land. Usually it's just straight.
Did he
The
land
question
on it
is the
last
board gonna break? That's what I would like
He
to
just
see.
fell.
Oh, he's okay. He's okay. Here we go.
Oh my God. That hurt. One more.
He's gonna land it right here.
Here he goes. Land it or break it. Or break.
No, he's gonna land it. I don't think that thing's breaking. That thing's heavy.
You okay?
Fine.
How do these people do it? How does Vinny Bond do it? How does Carlos do it? This is the most emotionally charged "can we break the skateboard" we have ever done. Normally it's a Walmart board, and we do a lot of flat ground tricks and then it snaps.
I don't know how anybody could just ride away from this thing. It's so tough.
It's getting very intense right now.
Yeah, that's where he's right here, this track. Ow! Ooh, I love it.
Okay, the board's still intact. Are you intact? The board's intact.
Whew. Barely. Yeah, 9 plies are really hard to break. Fetty, we need you. Where are you at? Fetty channeling. He is not one with us right now.
Well, we've pretty much given everything we can to breaking this, and it's not budging. We might have to have Luke come here and just focus this.
Yeah, let me try to break it. Just to...
Get redemption.
Oh, dude, no way. There's no freaking... That's everything I got.
I'll give it a try.
Ow, I got a shinner out of that. Ow.
Not only did I hurt myself, I hurt Carlos.
I was in the firing zone. I know.
I'm sorry. Yeah, dude, I don't think I can break this. Yeah, clear your shins.
That's everything I had, dude. That's it.
Oh, I just that was so gentle.
Carlos is like savage, and yours is just like. Should I try it? Here, Luke, you want to try?
Break this.
I didn't even get close.
Did you actually roll your ankle?
A little bit. Oh, there's no way, dude.
Lance, you're the biggest guy here. You have to do it.
There's no way.
It hurts, dude.
Told you guys.
I can't break. It's unbreakable. It's
Can't break it.
unbreakable.
It's unbreakable.
I mean, I'm sure somebody could break it, but
Dude, I just did the Braille drop and nothing.
why
Not a
isn't? Why
sign.
aren't 9 plies a thing?
Dude, it feels heavier,
Yeah.
There's like no flex
harder
on
to
it.
control, no flex zone at all. Yeah, well, that's you make it, we couldn't break it.
As far as we know, this is the hardest thing, the toughest board we've ever skated. 9 plies.
The lightest guys doing this whole video process, so I mean, we did.
The true test would be can Fetty break it? Because Fetty is black belt savage.
Really?
Fetty or Aaron, definitely. But me and Luke, we tried our best. Sorry, guys, didn't happen. But I hope you guys enjoyed the content. We did get a few tricks done. You know?
Braille drop.
Yeah. Carlos fought a battle that was worthy. Get in on that.
Hey.
So you guys should definitely subscribe to Carlos's Instagram. The link will be in the description below. Subscribe to the Braille video. And thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Huge thanks to Rowan. He's been helping me edit the videos lately, if you guys have been wondering who he is.
That's me.
Keeps it rolling.
And Luke, too. He did something, I think.
I ollied the
Just
stairs.
whip already. God dang it. You've been doing this all
Whip.
day. Just
So,
he always does it up there.
do it again.
No, you got it.
Oh, faked you out.
So please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. We'll see you next time.
Definitely check out Skateboarding Made Simple. It's available on all these platforms, iBooks, BrailleSkateboarding.com, and Google Play. It's the most comprehensive video we've ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. You won't be disappointed.